Welcome back. Let's open this up quickly. China NC spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Mr. Rajagopalan, Shyama Prasad Meka of the Congress, Ajay Verma also of the Congress completes the panel. Mr. Rajagopalan, according to Sam Pitroda's classification, how do you identify yourself or how have you been classified? What are you? Sir, I think you're on mute. Mr. Rajagopalan, you're on mute, sir. Please unmute and start afresh.
Sam Pitroda has done immense injustice to Mallikarjun Kharge because Mallikarjun Kharge is from South India. He looks like an African. And moreover, Devagowda. He thinks that Devagowda is a South African. So these are all things, Mr. Sam Pitroda. It is good that Sam Pitroda, because it will reduce Congress seats by 40, increase BJP seats by 40 in Lok Sabha. Pranesh.
China NC, the Cong would have us believe that now that Sam Pitroda has stepped down, news just coming in, it is all over.
I think this is the most disgusting of a repeat offender called Sam Pitroda. This is not the first time he's made a comment like this. You know what he has said about inheritance, and we all know the kind of crazy commentary to say that, you know, we will take from the rich and give to the poor, and this should be implemented. Cut to this current racist comment. Look at the kind of dialogue. I mean, to distinguish on people in our country on the basis of color has been unheard of. But this is Mr. Rahul Gandhi's so-called mentor, philosopher, guide, who uses this racist slang. And the Congress won't even sack this mentor. What do you have? You just have one odd statement coming out. And this is in the peak of our election time. I'm glad that our Honorable Prime Minister has retorted. And I'd like to say, I used to wonder why the Congress party opposed Draupadi Murmu's candidature as presidential election. But I could not understand. But now I know why they tried to defeat Draupadi Murmuji, who is an Adivasi. An uncle of a Shehzada stays in the US. He is his philosopher and guide. He has said that those who have dark skin are from Africa. Now I have understood that what their opposition to Draupadi Murmuji is, and to say that her skin is dark, so she must be defeated. What are we come to? Is this Congress party even in the right senses to even take any kind of advice from a serial repeat offender called Sam Pitroda, who does all Indians a disservice by his repeated racist slang?
Mr.